Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have WP admin and a backup. Now act. Install and activate the Schema plugin that outputs JSON LD, then open its dashboard. Once done, pick the schema type that matches your page, article, product, FAQ, or local business, and create a new schema template. Make sure to assign the template to the correct post type or page rule. You'll see basic fields like title, description, image. Fill those first, so the plugin can generate structured data immediately. Next, you configure the schema properties so search engines read your content correctly. You map WordPress fields, title, date, author, to schema properties using dynamic tokens or shortcodes. This ensures every post inherits the template. Then add nested items like offers, brand, and reviews for product or local business types. Once configured, preview the generated JSON LD inside the plugin. Make adjustments for arrays and image size. If you use custom fields, include them now so structured data reflects all useful content. Finally, validate and publish. You run Google's Rich Results test or the Schema validator, then assign templates to live pages and clear any cache so changes appear. Once published, monitor Search Console for warnings or errors and correct missing required properties like author or price. If markup doesn't show, check for conflicts with other plugins and theme output. Disable caching or merge duplicate JSON LD. One key troubleshooting tip: if results fail, temporarily switch to a default theme and revalidate to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.